Hello, Baduk players. This is Yun's Baduk Cafe. Chapter 35, the most common corner shape. Do you know where this shape comes from? Maybe 3-3 invasion? You're right. So this shape we can see very often. So let's master this shape step by step. So first, I want to show you the origin of the shape. From here, of course, a white invades 3-3 in the corner and block, extend, and push, extend. You know this joseki. In these days, we push once and then tenuki. Or few years ago, before AI, we used to play always like this and play tenuki. But for the Q player, it's okay. You can still play there. For down player, I recommend you play push and play tenuki. But sometimes white can play also tenuki, something like that. Then after this is obviously sente. In this case, white needs to answer like this and play tenuki. You don't need to play once more. It's our typical mistake. It's alive. But if white doesn't answer like this, then we can kill this group. So for example, white plays somewhere tenuki, then there are two possibilities, hane and extend. What do you think? Which move is better to kill? Our typical mistake is A, because it looks better. Reduce like this and here and connect. But if white plays there, this group is 100% alive. There's nothing you can do. So instead of A, we should extend. Then white block, of course. Then we can see this shape. First, hane, reduce, and then you can see. So how can we kill? We will study together. So we can back the step-by-step shapes. So we can start from number 1 to 4. So actually number 1 is the easiest problem. So think about it. What do you think here? I suggest you, before I show you the answer, you can stop the video and think about it per problem at least 1 minute or 1 minute to 5 minutes. After that, you can continue to watch this video. It's always better you think and try yourself. So, number 1. It's easy, right? So you can throw in and capture Atari. That's it. Not this one. Oh, sorry. Like this. So it's, I think, around double-digit Q level. How about number 2? So the marked stone, the triangle, is white's last move. So now black to play, but next move is not easy. You know, our typical mistake is, I can say like this. But if white capture, you can of course play there, but white can probably escape. So who knows? It's not clear. Or sometimes like this, but you can of course play there because white cannot play there. So anyway, you can kill like this, but white can probably escape. So we want to kill this without aji. Then there is a hidden move. You can see number 1, like N19. So you can connect like this. Yeah, here, like here, the same way. Then white usually play like this. Then like number 1, you can throw in. And if white plays there, Atari, that's it. Even white plays there, you can protect. So this group is dead. Yeah, actually simple, but if you don't know B, then you have problem. So that's the right one. Sometimes we play like this, but it doesn't work. Right? So the hidden move, just connect. So this is not that easy. I think around 1Q to 5Q level. Suddenly too difficult. Okay, how about number 3? So we should think. Now black reduce both sides. I mean, from here it was already there, and this exchanged. So where is the vital point? So many players think, here is the vital point, and if you connect, then I can kill. That's your dream. No, no, no. Not everyone connects like this. Just connect this side, and there is nothing. It's alive already. You see? So, where is vital point? Yes, you got it here. That's vital point. Then, now white can think about first this one. It's like number 2. So where was the hidden move? You remember? Of course here. And it's same shape. It doesn't matter where. It's that. Right? Here and this. Then, Youngson, maybe white can play the other way like this. Sure. But no worry. You can still play the hidden move. And A and B are Miai. So this group is dead. You see? Here Atari. The other way also Atari. That's it. How about then this move? Oh yeah, this is also not easy. But if you don't forget to connect here, then easy. Here you can throw in, or here you can play there. Of course, in this case, you can play there too. If you know this one, it's possible. Okay, so don't forget it here. Play first by that point. It doesn't matter where play. Connect. Yeah. So if you know this one, I think you are at least 3 down. Here, down level, low, down level. Then, the origin shape. So, how can we kill? Sure, if you see number 3, it's not that difficult. Reduce. But you know our typical mistake? I know, obviously here. Then they think, okay, like this, like that. Wow, I kill. No, no, no. White can save like that. No one wants to just connect. It's your dream. Or if white play there, this group is dead. So white should answer or so correctly like this. So you learned that number 3. We have to reduce. And then the vital point is not here. Here is correct. And it doesn't matter where white plays. We can connect and throw it. Right? Or here, throw it. And the last way here, just connect and Miai, P1, R1, Miai, we can kill. That's it. It's so simple, right? Let's see the origin of the shape again. I want to tell you something. We learned that here, if white play Tinuki, A is wrong, B is correct here. That's the origin of the shape. So sometimes I saw that you start from here and then here, but in this case, white can give you 2 stones and save the corner. So the right order is from here and then reduce and then like this. That's it. Now remember this. Hane from upper side, I mean 2 stones. And honey, on the right side, reduce 2 times and vital point, and then the hidden move. Okay? Simple. Right. So this shape, if you kill in your game easily, you must be higher than level, at least 4 dan. Please use this skill and kill in your game, and please let me know. I will be so happy to hear that.